Guys, welcome back. Today's video is on unboxing another thing that I got from Black Friday, but I wanted to kind of do an update on the Alpha Elite shirt. It does, this cap sleeve that I got from Alpha Elite, it does look better now that I've washed it. So I washed it and I wore it today, so it's like a little stretched out, but it still fits pretty good. So I feel like this has become an unboxing and kind of a review channel, but I promise we're almost done with all of these unboxings that I got from Black Friday. So it's kind of just been hectic and crazy, I know, but I want to give you guys kind of my Black Friday deals, and I think they're kind of let you guys know a little bit more about me and what I would spend money on, like what means anything to me, or just kind of what I'm working on at the moment. So remember, if you're opening something, always cut away from yourself. This can be dangerous. Also, I hate how some people package things, but that's okay. So this took, actually I ordered this on Black Friday, and it's like 2 weeks later now. So it's jawzrsize. Probably you guys knew that from the title, but I didn't know that till just now because I opened it. It does say patent pending, proudly made in the USA. So this is the box it comes in. I ordered all three. Right now they have 4 sizes, but I ordered the package of 3. So I'm just gonna open that up and take a look inside. You guys get the first look. This is what it looks like. Put it in your mouth. So this is kind of cool. It has like a little like training guide on it. So it says week 1, start with Level 1 blue, perform 6 to 12 sets of 15 to 30 reps every other day. So that's good. It would give your jaw somewhat of time to heal and to heal the muscles. So I mean, you're still going to be talking, you're still going to be, but this is undue stress that you're like exerting yourself. Like if you were to eat a big meal, your muscles need roughly 48 hours to heal. So that's why most people do like upper body one day, leg day the next day, upper body the next day. So it's every other day they're getting the workout, and this is actually what it's going on. So it's saying the first week, every other day. Week 2, it says adjust, add or subtract number of sets according to personal preference. So maybe if you're getting, if this is tiring you down or if it's not enough, maybe you can up it a little bit. Week 3 to 5, advance. Add various sets with level 2 purple according to personal preference. So again, this, and then notes. The level 3 green jawzrsize is not recommended for use until you have used level 2 purple for at least 30 days. Do not use the level 3 for more than once per week, 10 sets at a time. So I guess they just get harder and harder as things go up. There is guidelines for these teeth inserts, so I'll read those real quick and then I'll show you. It says bring a pot with 4 to 6 inches to a boil, place jawzrsize with bite strips in place into the boiling water with a slotted spoon or jawzrsize necklace. It comes with a necklace? Sweet. Boil for 20 seconds, then remove jawzrsize with the same slotted spoon or necklace. Tap the jawzrsize to remove any excess water. Caution, jawzrsize will be warm. Well, you're in boiling water, but they do have to put that. There are those people out there. 5, it says place jawzrsize in your mouth and softly bite into the center of the bite strips until the fit is comfortable. Hold position for 10 seconds. Repeat until desired molds are set. Do not boil jawzrsize for more than 20 seconds at a time. So that's what the back says. You guys saw the front was this, or I don't know what they consider front and back. They're on YouTube, Facebook, Google+, Instagram, and Pinterest at jawzrsize, jawzrsize. So I'm going to take this little piece out here. This looks like it might be the necklace. Pop that open. So looks like it comes with extra bit strips or bite strips. If you're me and don't know how to read correctly, that's okay. So this is the necklace. And I hope I didn't just break it, but I pulled it out. I guess you have to be able to slide it in. So I'll be using blue first, and I'll kind of do like a before and after. That way you guys can see where I'm at now. And then maybe in like 60, 90 days, I'll do an extra review. Oh, I may have just actually broke it. So I was trying to feed it in there, and this whole thing comes off. So, nope, I broke it. That was cheaply made, I guess. So just as I was stuffing it in there, this little piece came off, which actually, I guess, holds it in there. Not really sure what to do with that now. Hopefully this still kind of works in here though. We can still push that in there. I guess people wear this as a necklace. I don't think I'll be able to, but people just wear this like this. How do you fit that in your mouth? Holy sh! I mean, I guess you'd want it to be like that. Like, that actually kind of hurts just to open my mouth. Like, I don't have a big, like, actual wide mouth. So, if you have a small mouth, maybe this isn't for you. I am going to try it. I'm going to go boil it and do all that fun jazz I just talked about. And then I will do a... yes, I'm okay. I'm going to do the whole boiling thing. It looks like these just pop out. Maybe these get wear and tear on them. You're chewing on it, or you have an aggressive bite, or braces, or I don't know. I don't know why these would wear down. I'm not sure. Maybe they're poorly made. Jawzrsize, hopefully you figured that out. My camera looks a little blurry. Sorry if that was like straining your eyes. But so this is, I mean, I can't even like get that to close. Okay, maybe I can. Barely get that one to close. I think this one's 20 pounds. This one's 40 pounds. And then this one is 50 pounds. So this is the one they don't want you to use until you've been at the purple for a while. This is actually a pretty cool case. I'm not sure. I always say that they could go less on their packaging, kind of like with the Alpha Elite stuff. It is kind of cool. I think it's a bit much, but it is kind of cool. I mean, it probably looks more expensive than it actually is. There's a little magnet on here, so when you push it in, it stays. Just stuff that, like, oh, that, I guess for display, I can put it up in the back. I've reviewed it now. I can officially be done with that. I'm going to go work with this. Maybe I'll create my own necklace. Jawzrsize, you suck. This is not a sponsored ad. I just did this by my own, so I can say and do whatever I want. Actually, you can do and say whatever you want anyway. But I wanted to start with this. I want to kind of give you guys a before and after. This is me like normal every day. I know I have a little bit of a beard going on. It's winter. I'm trying to keep my face a little bit warm. But this is my side profile right now. And then I will do a update later on. You guys can maybe compare it later on. I don't know how you do this for side profiles. I'm not a professional. Am I doing this right? Anyway, I do notice as I was just squeezing this, there is a little bit of a buckle. Let's see if you guys can see that. Like, I feel like it's gonna break back here. I feel like I would need replacements of this blue piece before I need like replace my teeth up here. So that kind of concerns me. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I haven't used these before, and I didn't really read a lot of the reviews. I was marketed to like every day. So I decided, you know what? I'll just try it out and I'll get all three of them. What the heck? But yeah, I don't know how much stress that can take on that seam. If it were me and I was to make these, I would make the seam in a more... I probably wouldn't even make a seam, to tell you the truth. I mean, maybe across something that wasn't going to have as much pressure. That's like where all the pressure is going. That's where it's going to collapse. I'm not sure though. I'm not some kind of mastermind engineer, but I'm sure you could have found a much better place like maybe this way. If you put the seam this way, that way it's being stuck together by these two bite strips, and you bite down. Jawzrsize, switch your mold from this way to this way, and maybe it'll last longer. I'm not sure, maybe it'll last a long time with this. Now I'm just ranting, but hopefully this works, and I'll be back in probably 90 days, March 5th, to do a review. I'm gonna start tonight, maybe tomorrow. It is getting kind of late, so I'll do the review on that, and I'll see you guys then. Remember, I do a daily video right now as of 2018. I don't know what I'm doing in 2019. If you have any suggestions, tricks, tips, comments, please put them in the comment box below. I read all of those, so let me know, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Thanks for watching.